Good morning, B2.
Good morning, B1.
I have a pyjama-tastic feeling about today.
I had the same feeling too.
It's going to be a wonderful day.
A very wonderful day.
It's a windy day, B2.
But a wonderful windy day, B1.
Who shall we go and see, B2?
Why not our friend Bernard?
Bernard? Why Bernard?
Because we can see him right now.
Bananas! Can you grab my hat, please?
We'll get it, Bernard.
Leave it to us. This is a tricky hat, B2.
Very tricky, B1.
I'll come from that way.
And I'll come from that way.